Doctors, what is the most heart-wrenching diagnosis you've ever had to give? While on neuroconsults, a 23-year-old girl came in, complaining of a headache she'd had for 6 months. Initially, I suspected she might be exaggerating or looking for painkillers, but I noticed she'd seen an outpatient neurologist who had tried every migraine treatment and ordered a CT scan and MRI, both of which came back normal. The pain became unbearable, so she was admitted for further workup. We recommended an MRI with contrast, and it revealed leptomeningeal carcinomatosis. Cancer metastasized throughout the brain. I had gone home by the time the results came in. That evening, the attending sat with her and delivered the devastating news. She had cancer, likely originating from her stomach or uterus. He asked if she wanted help telling her family, but she chose to wait until more tests identified the primary source. The next morning, I arrived at the hospital to find her name no longer on the patient list. Shocked, I checked her chart. Around 6:30 a.m., she became unresponsive, coded, and CPR was started. Her family arrived to the horrifying sight of doctors performing chest compressions, unaware of her diagnosis. They were devastated, initially asking to do everything to save her, but eventually called for a priest for her last rites. She passed away shortly after. I cried so hard that day, unable to see other patients. This poor young girl, trying to protect her family, was suddenly gone. It reminded me how fragile life truly is.